Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Shahzadi Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a general science class for class 1 students. My dear students, our today's topic, chapter 14, reading and plus question answer. Our today's lecture number 16 and HW number 12. My dear students, let's start our class. This is chapter 14. The chapter name is The Need for Air. Air is all around us. We can find air everywhere. We cannot see air because it has no color. We cannot touch air, but we can feel air. When you fan yourself, you can feel air in your face. Air fills many things. Air fills up empty space and gives shape to things. Air fills up empty bottles and boxes. We may say there is nothing inside them, but there is air inside. My dear students, now go to next page. This is an experiment, okay? And you can do this experiment at your home also. See, take an empty bottle and dip it upside down in a bucket of water. So at first you have to take an empty bottle and then you have to dip it upside down in the bucket of water. Then what happened? Air starts coming out from the bottle in the form of bubbles. Okay, by doing this experiment, then we can see air starts coming out from the bottle in the form of bubble. And from this experiment we have learned the bottle was not empty. It had air inside it. My dear students, by doing this experiment we have learned that the bottle is not empty, the air is inside it. Okay, now we will discuss why do we need air. Okay, uses of air. The uses of air. Plants and animals need air to live. Humans need air to breathe. Birds fly because there is air. We feel air in balloons, footballs and cycle tires. Air is needed for burning. Air is used to move things like kite, helicopter, sailboat and windmill. My dear students, this is the uses of air. Football, tires and swimming tubes are filled with air. My dear students, now go to next page. What is wind? Fast moving air is called wind. My dear students, this is the important line and you have to memorize. What is wind? Fast moving air is called wind. It helps to move things. And gentle slow moving air is called breeze. My dear students, I am repeating, this one is also important line and you have to memorize. Gentle slow moving air is called breeze. My dear students, now points to remember, and these lines also very important. Air is everywhere. Air occupies space. We need air for breathing and burning. Animals need air to live. Birds can fly because of air. Fast moving air is wind. My dear students, now we will solve this exercise. Take the correct answer. Number 1, gentle moving air is called wind, wave, breeze. My dear students, we know gentle moving air is called breeze. We have learnt now gentle moving air is called breeze. So put a tick mark on breeze. Now number 2, air is needed for bathing, burning, brushing. My dear students, we know air is needed for burning. So put a tick mark on burning. Number 3, birds need feather, wings, air to fly. My dear students, the correct answer will be air to fly. Birds need air to fly. And number 4, we can taste, see, feel air. My dear students, we know we can feel air. Okay, so put a tick mark on feel. Now go to next page. True, false. Number 1, air is used to move kite. My dear students, Is it true or false? Air is used to move kite. So this is true. So write T. Okay, air is used to move kite. It is true. Number 2, there is nothing inside an empty bottle. My dear students, this is false. So write F. Okay, there is nothing inside an empty bottle. We know the air inside an empty bottle, so it is false. Number 3, we cannot touch air. My dear students, we can feel air. Okay, so it is false. So write F. It is true. We cannot touch air. Okay, this is true. So write T. Number 4, we can see air. My dear students, this is false. We can feel air. So it will be false. So write F. My dear students, now we'll discuss question answer. Question: why do we need air? Why do we need air? Answer will be: we need air for many purposes, such as number 1, to live, number 2, to breathe, number 3, to move things, and number 4, to dry things. My dear students, I am repeating this question answer. Why do we need air? Answer: we need air for many purposes, such as number 1, to live, number 2, to breathe, number 3, to move things, and number 4, to dry things. My dear students, our today's SW number is 12 and your SW topic is question answer. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic properly, memorize properly this question answer, and submit your SW regularly. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.